Hi students, welcome you all to the class of numerical skill. Last class we discussed about matrix, its meaning, types of matrices, transpose of a matrix, and addition of two matrices. Today we are going to discuss about subtraction of matrices. Subtraction of matrices. So here it means if there are two matrices, A and B are two matrices, then their difference or A minus B is the matrix of the same order obtained by taking the difference of corresponding elements. So it is similar as in the case of addition. So we are taking here the differences between the elements or differences of corresponding elements of both the matrices. The only one condition is that both the matrices must be in the same order. Both matrices A and B must be in the same order. So for example, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 8, 5, 6, 7, then B is equal to 3, 2, 5, 2, 4, 6, 3, 8, 7, then A minus B is equal a matrix in the same order obtained by taking the differences of corresponding elements. That means A minus B is equal to 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 means 1 here, the first element of A. Then 3 is equal to the first element of B. First element in the first row and the first column. So A minus 3. Then 2 minus 2. 2 here in the first row and the second column of A. Then here 2, this one is 2 of first row and the second column of B. Then just like 3 minus 5, 4 minus 2, 9 minus 4, 8 minus 6, 5 minus 3, 6 minus 8, 7 minus 7. So that means the differences of both the corresponding elements, those elements having in the same position of the both the matrices, 1 minus 3, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 5, just like 7 minus 7. Then find the differences. It means 1 minus 3, we know it is minus 2. So take the difference and put the sign of the bigger one. Then 2 minus 2 equal to 0. 3 minus 5 equal to minus 2. Then 4 minus 2 equal to 2. 9 minus 4 equal to 5. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Then 2 minus 2, 0. So this is the way to find the differences of two matrices or subtraction of matrices. So let us take one more example. Here A is equal to 2 minus 5, 3, 0, 7 minus 2, minus 1, 4, 1. Then B is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. So A minus B is equal to first one. So take the differences of the corresponding elements. So the first element in the first matrix, it is 2. 2 minus, then the first element in the second matrix is minus 1. So 2 minus minus 1. So write like that. 2 minus minus 1. Then second one. Here the first element it is, second element it is minus 5. The corresponding element. So the corresponding element is minus 2. So minus 5 minus minus 2. Then 3 minus minus 2. 3 minus minus 2. Then 0 minus minus 1. Then 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. So just like minus 2 minus 0. Then minus 1 minus 2. 4 minus minus 1. Here it is 4. So the same corresponding element here it is minus 1. So 4 minus minus 1. Then 1 minus 4. The last one. So the A minus B is equal to, as we know, when the same signals or 2 minus comes together, it will be positive. So 2 minus minus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1. Just like here it is also two minus symbols together. So 5 minus 5 plus 2. So then 3 plus 2. Then 0 plus 1, 7 minus 2, minus 2 minus 0. Then here 4 plus 1. So like this one. Then a minus b is equal to, so take the sum, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Minus 5 plus 2 is equal to minus 3. So if the signs are different, here it is one minus and here it is one plus. So take the difference and put the sign of the bigger one. Minus 5 plus 2. So take the difference, it is 3. And put the sign of the bigger one. The bigger one, it is 5, so its sign it is negative. So negative 3. Then 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Then 0 plus 1, 1. 7 minus 2. So take the difference and put the sign of bigger one. 7 minus 2, you know, it is 5. Then minus 2 minus 0. Minus 2 minus 0. So it is minus 2. Then minus 1 minus 2. So if comes like this, both the signs are same and it is negative. So take the sum. 1 plus 2 it is 3 and put the same signal. So minus 1 minus 2. If it comes like this, both the signs are here equal. So take the sum of both the digit. 1 plus 2 it is 3 and put the sign of the same minus sign. So minus 3, then 4 plus 1 it is equal to 5. 1 minus 4 it is minus 3. So this is the way how to find out differences of two matrices or subtraction of matrices. The only the thing it is that in case of addition and subtraction, the only one condition is that both the given matrices should be in the same order. Then it is possible to take the addition or subtraction of the given matrices. Then another one it is, in case of addition and subtraction, it is the sum or differences of corresponding elements. So that's all about this one. The next video we will discuss about multiplication of matrices. Okay, thank you. Thank you all.